Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix TikTok Shop not showing. In this video, we'll show you how to fix a TikTok Shop button not showing. First, make sure you're signed into your TikTok account. Next, check that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version by visiting the Play Store or App Store. If there's no update button, you're already on the newest version. If the button still doesn't appear, go to your device's settings. Find TikTok under App Management and clear the cache. On iOS, use the Offload app option if needed. After that, reopen TikTok. If the issue persists, go to TikTok Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Report a Problem. Select Chat with Us. Here, type that your TikTok Shop feature isn't showing. TikTok support will reply with either a solution or explain why it's unavailable, which often happens because the feature isn't offered in your region. Following this step should help restore the shop button and get you back to browsing products. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.